Good evening, ma'am. This is experiment number 5 for advanced database management system, which talk about the administrating user privileges. So here we are going to learn about the administration, how to create, lock and unlock, and to delete the user with the authorization using DCL command line. So there are a number of ways to create a date user. We are having the syntax called create user, username identified by password, and likewise we can create a number of users, and this is for to grant. So to grant create session to, I'm giving grant session to this user alone. So likewise to lock, unlock, we are altering. So this is all the DCL commands. So alter that username using to lock or unlock. For deleting also we are using dropping the table with that user's objects. And then we are going to see about the experiments. So here it is asked to create username called user1 with password. So I have created a username called Aji, identified by the password AJI. So it is created, and I am granting this user from the main system database. So I am granting a session to this user, and then I am assigning user space. So this is the space which I am giving, and this is I am assigning a role. So likewise we are creating, and then this is change the password for the user1 Aji. This is I'm giving this Ajita as my password, and create user2. Likewise we are creating user2, which is called by user2, which is by the password PSW, and I'm making this grant DBA to user2. Now my user2 is my DBA, main DBA, system admin, and then I'm creating a customer table truck city in the user2. So I'm creating, this is my user2 and password. I'm creating the table, 3 tables in that, and then I'm using a login under user1 and access. So I'm logging to the user1, and I'm now accessing the customer table of user2. So this is user1, I'm logging, and user2's customer table I'm accessing. So no row selected. So before that I should give grant permission to the user1 from user2, and then this is to authenticate, and I should delete the truck table. So drop the table user2.truck, I mean the user1. So I need to delete the user2's truck table. So I'm giving user2.truck table, and then likewise I need to create a ship table. So like that I need to give the quota, that is user role space, and then I need to give grant permission, and I should create a table called shipment. And then for this I am accessing the shipment table from user2. I am in user2 and accessing the user1 shipment table. So here also no row selected. Here I am using, before that previously we have given a system admin to user2. Now I am giving a system admin to user1. So likewise we have created a number of queries, and then everything is executed successfully. Thank you, ma'am.